We got two.
Watch your step. Watch your step.
Huh? Oh, it's hot in here though. We haven't been on this since you were like 6 years old.
There was lots of dancing and singing.
I heard the gun.
So cool. Oh my god. Woo! I don't remember this at all, right?
Look up.
This is so cool. I think they upgraded this thing. This looks way better.
Look up.
Hi, Ariel. They definitely upgraded
No,
this.
they did not. I watched on YouTube.
Yeah, but since we've been on it, they've upgraded it.
No, they haven't.
Absolutely.
I have a video.
This, not this. This was here before.
Up where they run, where they stay all day in the sun.
All this video, they didn't have any of this video. That's all new. This is very much like Nemo. Yeah, they didn't have all this.
Yes, they did. I remember that.
Maybe this part. Oh yeah, we got stuff. That's your EDAC right there. No, that's your EDAC walkway.
You can just get off and walk. We're not in water.
They have to have a specific walkway.
Under the sea, we off the hook. We got no trouble. Under the sea.
Oh no. They started saying something about stopping.
So if we're doing Epcot tomorrow, we're gonna.
I'm gonna watch. It'll be after.
Alright. It's Ursula! I know we go up. Yeah. Totally new. I don't know what you're talking about.
It's not new.
All of this water?
Go watch a video from like 2000.
I will. I promise you it's all new. I mean, it's not all, like that's not new. But like a lot, like that's not new. I remember that. Ah, they know it's Ursula. Good ride. exactly like the Haunted Mansion. I can't right now because I'm recording, but so am I. Hey, Len. I'm just putting the camera where people aren't. Oh, we had a little movement there, but it stopped. Your reaction like that.
Maybe not. I mean,